Hello everyone. Today we are hikers. So we're in PJ and we had a trail called, I'll tell you the name of the trail. We're just at the entrance of it. So the trail is called that. Kibutinga Singh. I'm butchering this bahasa, but yes, this is it. Does it show where we are? Oh yes. We're there. And I think we'll go that way.
As you can see, I am carried a bag because Mikey was complaining 2 days ago. Able to carry
whatever. Listen.
Because of your hangover?
No.
Do you not want to speak about that?
I had my
No job and hangover?
Yeah. Look, those blowjob shots were too much. And I had my shoulder during wakeboarding. You know, sporting accident. And I'm lying. I'm just hangover. So listen, feminism, she must carry the bag, you know. Yeah. Alright, let's go in. Let's check this place out. Wow, it's beautiful. So I think we start that way, then we finish this way.
Let's try.
I think I want to have my banana first. This is torture. It is so beautiful though. Anyway, we're going up there. I should have not drunk those shots yesterday. I now recognize my mistake and I'm owning up to it. Are you going left? Are we supposed to go there?
I don't know, there's no more way.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah. It is the only way. I'm not going in there. Man's are sweating. You ready?
Yes.
You look so fresh.
I'm fresh.
Look at me.
Hey, I had only 2 blowjobs yesterday, so I am so fresh.
Yeah. I drank too many. Well, I also had just 2 blowjobs, but it's the tequila and the other stuff. Okay. Here we go. Why would you want to go there? That's a snake or a lizard?
It's a lizard. And there's some arms and legs, it's a lizard.
Everything feels like a snake to me here.
Are you afraid by snakes?
I'm gonna put this on camera. I am terrified of snakes, okay?
Oh my.
When I see a movement in the bushes and you're going to the bushes, I'm going the opposite direction. Ain't no way I'm playing around with these animals. Actually, you wanna take the lead?
If you prefer, yes.
Yes, I do prefer. If a snake bites, it'll bite you first.
But I love snakes.
Yeah.
It's not.
You don't recognize that noise?
No, but even it's not nice to hear. You know, it's
So you're saying it's a dangerous animal?
No, I don't know if it's a dangerous animal. I just say that I don't like it. So which way?
Mosquitoes love vegetarian blood more.
Do you think?
Look at my carnivorous legs. No mosquito bite, not one. It's all them carrots and cucumbers. I'm just saying, if you're a veggie, mosquitoes will love you. If you love ribs and steaks,
Bullshit.
hey man, we have
Yes, I know.
we have evidence.
No,
Yeah,
no, I was already loved by mosquitoes. I don't know. I was already loved by mosquitoes before to be a veggie.
Okay. Do it again. Wow. Anyway, we stopped for a bit of a snack. And so I can cool off a bit. I am, in the true sense of the word, dying. But I feel healthy. Tarzan or George in the Jungle?
Tarzan.
Yeah. Although he didn't have a camera back on. This is
And no t-shirt.
okay. More stairs. I'm not liking the stairs, man. Yeah, I mean, I'm not. Yeah, it's good for the house, but I don't want to grow an ass. You do. All right. Come on, Mikey.
Trying to survive.
Too much sweat.
So this is how Tarzan tried to survive.
Hey man, that's the jungle, bro. Yeah, I feel much better. Much better. All right, let's go on. Ah. I have no idea what any of this means. Okay, the pole dancer is at it again.
I'm sorry.
Pole dancing. Oh, there's a bridge there. Can we walk it? Another suspension bridge. We're now heading towards the watchtower. It should be cool. Let's see what that's about. By the way, we have gotten lost a couple of times. And I think we're back on track. We found a map. Yeah. She fell.
Can you see something?
I can see.
Oh shit.
What the fuck is that? Yeah, a road.
Come back to the civilization.
Yeah. Feels like we're in the middle of nowhere. We're quite lost, to say the least. Very, very lost. But we found the tarmac road and we'll just follow it. I mean, the road's gotta lead to somewhere, right? Right?
Right, yes. I hope.
Mate, this girl has really suffered.